Hi, it's Legionero back with another video. I would like to say welcome to all of my new subscribers. Thank you so much for subscribing to the channel and everyone who keeps coming back each time I post a new video. So it feels like it's been a long time since I've been in my planner, even though I think it's only been a week. So I'm going to decorate my March monthly. I have a lot of birthdays in March, so I wanted to decorate the month. I'm using my tie-dye sticker kit. This sticker kit is in my shop. It's a printable, and it comes with the sheet of stickers and then a sheet of boxes. And because I have so many birthdays, I think I'm going to run out of boxes this size. So I am going to probably pull from some of these recollections sticker books. So we'll see how it goes. So I've been using my work planner, and I don't decorate that one. I just basically write my break times because they change day by day, week by week. So I don't decorate that planner at all. And I also write down to-dos if I have some to-dos. I will write those in that planner, but other than that, I don't decorate that planner at all. And Monday through Thursday, I'm stuck at my desk. So right now, I don't feel there's a need to decorate a weekly planner. All right, let's see. I got just looking at all the days I got birthdays, which is a lot. A lot of people have birthdays in March that I know. So I want to make sure I get them down. So I don't forget them. So what have you all been up to? I've been enjoying making the videos about different ways to make images. I enjoy making those videos a lot. I'm gonna bring this up a little bit because that's Good Friday. Like I was saying, I knew I had another birthday on this day. I enjoy making those videos a lot. Every time I learn something, I like to come on and share. There's another birthday that I'm missing. I'm trying to see if it's I'm gonna have to look at my other planner, but there's one more birthday that I'm missing, and I cannot remember what day it is, but I know it is in March. I want to say around the 23rd, but I cannot be sure. So I'm gonna have to check my other planner. But I think that's it for the birthdays. I only need one more box, but I can't put it down yet because I don't know what day it is. And I made these script stickers. I don't have one for everybody, but for most people, I have them. So I'm just gonna lay down what I have, and then the rest I will write in. This makes everything so much easier, and even my handwriting isn't terrible. I just don't really, when I'm in a hurry, I write messy. I'll say that. I don't have a script for Jessica's birthday. But I do have one. And the birthday that I can't think of, this birthday is the 24th and this one is the 31st, and that's shared a day. The birthday that I can't think of the date, I actually have a script for her. Cute. Let's see. I just saw the script that I'm looking for. Or at least I thought I did. Okay. Maybe it'll hop out at me. This one's from this date. It is not hopping out at me, and I really thought that I had. Oh, I shortened her name, that's why. All right, and I have two here. Let's see if I have a script. These scripts are very, very, very handy. Thought I had a script for her as well, but I don't think I do. I'm gonna have to write hers in and hers in, and then figure out when my other friend's birthday is. But I think I got everybody. I think. So now I'm just gonna put down some decorations. So all of my shows are back on. I'm so excited. I don't know if I said this in my last video, but all of my shows are back on. NCIS Hawaii and all of the FBIs. They're all back. Let's see. Let's see what I want to put down. Oh, I wish I knew when her birthday was, because I don't want to cover up the day. I definitely don't want to cover up the day, but it is really escaping me when her birthday is. It may even be earlier in the month, but I'll figure it out. I wanted to put some cute little stickers down. On the month. want to cover up. Put this up here. That says my hustle looks different. I think these are the cutest stickers. Little tie-dye stickers. I do have this available in clip art as well. So all of these images, except for the days of the week, are available in clip art. So yeah, like I was saying, all of my shows are back. And I'm so excited. I don't know if I was too impressed by the first episodes coming back. They were okay. But not really the best. They were okay though. But some of the storylines I'm intrigued, so we'll see how it goes. Right. Let's see. I think that's all I'm gonna do for the month of March. If I remembered what day her birthday was on, I would put down some more. But I think that's it, because otherwise I'm going to start rambling, and you all don't want to hear me ramble. She used to have a Facebook page, but I don't see her Facebook page anymore, and that usually tells you when their birthday is, but I don't see her Facebook page anymore. So there's that. Once I do figure out what her birthday is, I'll put it down, and then I'll probably put down some more of these images. So the thumbnail picture will probably have more images on it, but that's what I wanted to do. Just come in and chit chat with you for a second. Lay down some birthday stickers. Oh, I have a doctor's appointment on this day. Now watch, this is going to be her birthday. Watch. I have a doctor's appointment that day. Excuse me. So yeah, now watch, that's going to be her birthday, so I'm gonna have to cover all that up. But the boxes I'm using aren't that big, so that is too funny. I'm gonna put this make yourself a priority down, and then maybe that. And put her. All right. Okay, I think that really is it. I don't think her birthday is the 30th. I don't think so. I'm not going to risk it. All right, I'm starting to ramble now. So that is it. Thank you for coming along with me while I just kind of lay down birthdays and lay down little stickers in my planner. I'm making the stickers, so I need to make use of them. All right, if you like this video, click the thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe and also hit the notification bell so you'll be notified each time I post a new video, and I'll see you in the next one.